Good evening. Today I would like to talk to you about my electrical savings, which I have implemented at my home. Now, I have actually converted most of my lighting systems into LED lighting. Only is that I did was to change my electrical appliances from conventional to inverters. Now I have two fridges. I converted both to inverters. I have a washing machine. I've also converted that to inverter. I have four air cons and I've also converted those into inverters. Now these inverters actually do save you some money, but the best savings of all I had was install a solar system. Now there was an offer in 2019 by TNB, the local electricity board, to those who want to want to add in a solar system to their national grid. That means my solar system will generate electricity, of which I will consume the electricity generated from solar in the morning for my own household electrical use. And anything that at night which I cannot be converted into electricity because there's no sunlight, I would use the national grid. So there is a change in the electrical meters. For this to happen, that means there will be a meter which uh, calculates the amount of kilowatt hours my solar system generates and is being used inside my house. And then this new meter also calculates the amount of electricity I use normally and take from the national grid. So there will be an offset of which I will pay only the net amount back to TNB. Now usually my bills was around 350 ringgit every month. Now it's gone down to about 100 ringgit. And during this lockdown is even reduced even more to about 40 to 50 ringgit. So I'm very happy that my electricity bills have gone down that much. I have a savings almost $200 every month. So that's a very good return on investment for my solar system. The solar system home installer is Maxbell. Now they provide a very good service. I'm happy with their package. It was quite reasonable to me, and return investment was fantastic. So I don't mind if you do really need to install a solar system, you can try them out. I'll put their contact down in the description so that you may want to ask them for a new quotation in for 2021 or in the future. If you do like this video, please do subscribe and of course hit the like button so that I can produce more videos of which hopefully the information will be beneficial to you in making some decisions on cost savings. Okay, bye bye.